Miriam, how's your sweater coming?
Sweater? I thought we were building a coffin.
For whom?
For us.
But I'm only 109 years old.
Yes, but I'm 120. I will die soon.
I will too.
Do I hear the birds?